So under the layers panel, you have group, ungroup. We have already worked with that feature, and I've already shown you duplicate. Now, here's some of the features that you might want to have a look at. We also had a look at cut and print. So when you have cut and print selected over here, the option pops up over here. And if you also have instead of cut, you change it to draw, you can see that everything has changed based on whatever you have selected over here. Now let me show you when I click on score, everything says it's score, score, score. Go back to cut. And there you go. Now this eye thing over here means if let's say you don't want to view this thing, then you can just hide it by clicking on this eye. So these are all the options. Now let's move to these guys, the most important guys that can change your entire project.